I'll guide you through how to find forgotten Amazon passwords on Android the easy way, without panicking when you've lost access to your account. If you're looking to recover a lost password for your Amazon account, or for any other shopping or app accounts, or you simply want to see all your saved login details, and so need to find forgotten Amazon passwords on Android, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, open the Google app or the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile picture icon, which is usually in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Google Account under your name. Once you're on your Google account page, locate and tap on Password Manager. You will see a list of all your social media and other website accounts for which you had entered their passwords on your Android device. Tap on the Amazon website or app, and you will be presented with the option to unlock your Android device, either with a password or biometrics, depending on which you use. Once you do, the Amazon login and password will display for you. You can also edit the details here if you wish. By this, you have successfully found your forgotten Amazon passwords on Android. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Amazon video tutorials. Thanks for watching.